I'm talking about, boy. Woo! Yes, guys, welcome back. We're doing a very quick crabbing sortie before work. It is a midweek. It's a bit windy this morning, but got the crab nets here on board. Special bait, cat food. Let's see if we get a couple for brekkie. Yeah, right, so we are using this bait. It's called cat food. We're not going for cats. We're going to catch chichu in the net. Cat? No, we're going for crabs. So a bit of a trial and error on this one. So we're going to let the pot sit for about 10 minutes. I prefer a bit shorter, but the fresh bait. And then after we check the baits. And what you do, once you check one pot, you go back and check the other. So speed is the key in this one. There we go. First crab for the day. Beautiful. Awesome. Baby.
Yeah?
Ah, what? No luck. No casino luck. We're going to put this one over there because that's where the crabs are. Actually, no, we'll leave it in because we've got one here. This one's a bit long, this right. Oh, my head's gone. Ah.
Yeah. Head. Yeah, head here.
When this search for your lucky hat. No hat, no crabs. That's all. I'll get it. Okay. Yeah. Woo! Better than a coffee. Whoa.
Crab?
Oh, I don't know. Maybe jellyfish. Oh, big bait. It's taking out drag. Ah, come on. Oh, that's about a 5 kilo jellyfish. 2, 1. Yeah, baby.
Whoa.
Yeah, baby. Alrighty. Here's back for chicken. Hang on, camera this up. And we'll turn the boat around.
Yeah.
That's what we're talking about, boy. Woo! For another one. Oh, you can't fool them moving around the net. They're trying to escape, that's why you should do it really quick. I saw that guy actually came off. What a bugger. Could have been stuck under the rope. Gone. Oh. Also, your rope, if it's too long, it goes on too much of an arc and the net can actually tip. Alright, 2 more here. That was crap, that one, you know. Sometimes I swim away. You can feel this one. Oh, hang on. Hang on. Hang on. Hang on. Woo! Yeah, beauty. Yeah, beauty. Yeah, beauty. With these nests, they just feel heavy. No, it's not the net, it's a jellyfish. So we've only got 3 more to sort of get our limit. It's 5 each. There's 2 of us on board. We've both got licenses. Righto. Come on, Casino man.
Last one.
Oh, all in, that's all right. Yeah. Okay. That's 1 down, 2 more to go. Kilo? Could be 2 in this one. Clank. Feels a bit promising. Yeah, yippee. That's probably the biggest crab of the day. Absolute pearler, that one. Absolute pearler. Ooh. I just love the blue colours that these blue manners have got. Blue swimmers, blue manners. Yeah, so that's a lovely specimen there from the Swan. and pretty happy. Anyway, we're going to get out of here. We're going to go to work in about an hour's time, have a shower, go home, have a cup of coffee. Might even sneak in a beer. Okay, until next time, take it easy. Woo! Okay, mate. See ya. You're still half asleep, the bugger. What'd you do there, Mum? Mum's busy. Check this out. Crabs, vongole, and spaghetti. Done a great job, Mum. Beautiful. That's the way to do it. So these crabs were caught this morning before work. I didn't get a chance for the cook up. Mum beat me to it. But anyway, see you next time. Take it easy.
Mama, come on. Come on, spaghetti.